Okay, hi. So you see that each panel have a short side right here and a long side right here. And we call it installation bar. So you have the short bar and the long bar. The purpose of the bar is simply to cover the Velcro, to allow panel movement. So you put the bar on the Velcro, you align the panel. Once they are in place, you simply remove the bar, and then the contact of the Velcro is done. So here we will install the other side for the next row. So it's from the long side, so you use the long bar, so you cover the Velcro. Then you put the panel next to it. You be certain that corner are corner to corner. Then when everything is set, remove the bar. Contact of the hook and loop is done. Long side install. Now we installed both sides at the same time. So you will notice that both guys stay on their knees, that we can discuss tomorrow. So both guys will cover the Velcro with their respectively bar. So they cover the short side, they cover the long side. Then they put the Velcro next to it. Check if everything is straight. Both. Everything's good. Then they simply remove the bar. And that's it. Now we dismantle one panel. So you start on the corner with the overlap. Remove. What is important is always stack pad to pad, and then we dismantle the next panel. Usually one guy can do one panel, but here for the video we do it two. And then turf to turf right here. So turf to turf, and then pad to pad. A perfect straight pallet.